Hello student, this is Seema Bhatti here and today I am going to tell you about the national symbols. India has many national symbols with which it identifies itself and takes pride in them. So look, here is some more information about the national symbols of India. Let's move. Look the picture, national emblem. The national emblem of India is an adaptation of the Buddhist land capital of Ashoka at Sarnath near Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. सिंह के 3 मुंह आपको दिख रहे हैं, चौथा नहीं दिख रहा है क्योंकि चौथा हमेशा पीछे आता है। जो बीच में चक्र दिख रहा है उसके दाईं तरफ बैल है और बाईं तरफ घोड़ा है। इसके नीचे लिखा है सत्यमेव जयते जो कि देवनागरी लिपि में लिखा है और लिया कहाँ से गया है? मुंडक उपनिषद से। नेक्स्ट है National animal. The tiger is the national animal of India. It is the symbol of India's wealth of wildlife. Next, national bird. The peacock is the national bird of India. It is a symbol of qualities like beauty and grace. Next, national flag. The national flag is a horizontal tricolor of deep saffron at the top, white in the middle and a dark green at the bottom and a blue wheel with 24 sticks at the center. Students, look here in the picture. Here is a चक्र और ये चक्र हमें संदेश देता है हमेशा आगे बढ़ने का, हमेशा चलते रहने का संदेश देता है। Next, national fruit of India. The mango is the national fruit of India. I hope you like it very well. Next is national tree. The national tree of India is the banyan tree. Look the picture. Next, national sports. Sport field hockey, in which India has a impressive record with 8 Olympic medals, is considered as the national sports. Next, national anthem. The Jan Gan Man is the national anthem of India, composed by Rabindranath Tagore. It was officially adopted by the Constituent Assembly as the Indian national anthem on January 24, 1950. Next is national song. The national song Vande Mataram, composed in Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Next, national calendar. The national calendar based on the Sak era with Chaitra as its first month and a normal year of 365 days was adopted from 22nd March 1957. Next, national flower. Lotus is the national flower of India. National reptile is king cobra. National river is Ganga. National currency is rupees. National language is Hindi. Next is dolphin. It's our national aquatic animal. And look at this. This is an elephant. What is this? An elephant. And हम बात करेंगे कि ये क्या है, तो आप बोलोगे कि दिस इज़ अ लार्जेस्ट एनिमल ऑन द लैंड, but it's also a national heritage animal. क्या national heritage animal? Next is, in the last I will talk about the national festivals. बात इंडिया की हो और national festivals की ना हो, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? So we will talk about the national festival. So we have only 3 national festivals: Republic Day, 26 January, Independence Day, 15 अगस्त एंड गांधी जयंती 2 अक्टूबर। हमारे 3 नेशनल फेस्टिवल हैं जिनको हम सब लोग मिलकर मनाते हैं, सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। सो स्टूडेंट्स, हमें अपने भारत देश पर हमेशा गर्व करना चाहिए। बी हैप्पी, बी सेफ एंड जय हिंद, जय भारत।